Showing off hundreds of cat scratching moves, but they all have one thing in common: cowardice. Let's be honest, cats are much better at fishing than newbies.